Hey gearheads, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make your L5P turbocharger louder. I'm going to show you 5 different ways to do it. The sound of a turbo engine is music to our ears, as we already know that. There are several ways to make it louder. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, upgrading the exhaust system. Upgrading the exhaust system not only improves the sound of your truck, but also the performance. There are different aftermarket parts you can use, like L5P turbo exhaust, cap back exhaust, or installing a downpipe. These modifications allow the turbo to breathe easier and reduce the EGT at temperatures by 200 degrees. Number 2, installing a cold air intake. This modification doesn't require any work around the exhaust system. It makes the turbo sound louder and it adds some power to it. Installing a cold air intake will also lower the stress on the turbo. Number 3, adding a blow-off valve. This modification will release stress from the turbo and make switching gears a lot smoother. It will also give your engine that blow-off sound that everybody loves. Number 4, upgrade the intercooler. This modification is one of the best because it has different functions. It will lower the temperature, add horsepower and torque, and can also improve the overall sound. But remember, the intercooler will only improve the sound when combined with a cold air intake. Number 5, replacing the stock turbo. This modification is expensive, but will gain more power and torque. It will not make the truck sound louder, but healthier and a lot better. Boom! There you have it. By installing a performance air intake, replacing your exhaust system, and installing a turbocharger whistle, you can make your L5P turbo sound like a beast. Just make sure you do it safely and responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you want more car related content, hit like and subscribe.